ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀yà Ìgbò lórílẹ̀‐èdè South Africa a pè é lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó ń láàárọ̀ nínú kéèké la pè é ẹ rí i pé mo ti wá lónìí mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́tọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lálẹ́ yìí but unfortunately ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀yà Ìgbò náà ni mo fẹ́ sọ in fact pé bá gbà àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ play yóò ṣe é ní kàyéfì yóò ṣe é ní ààhín because ó yẹ kí n dá dúró dọ̀la Kennedy tí mo fi lè dá dúró dọ̀la ó ní pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá gbalẹ̀ wọn ìsọ́ làárọ̀ n tí mo rí kò ní dáa kó jójú èmi nìkan ni ó tó kò sì ní dáa kó jẹ́ tí èmi nìkan ni ó gbọ́ torí wípé bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ò bá gbọ́ tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ò rí yóò dàbí ẹni pé èèyàn kórìíra ẹ̀yà Ìgbò Ọlọ́run bá ń gbọ́ in tí mo rí yìí tó bà mí lọ́wọ́ yìí ńlọ́jọ́ yé mi pé mísàn wọn lẹ̀ Yorùbá Ọlọ́run bá mi ń gbọ́ ó ju tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń rò lọ. You will hear the voice note live and direct. Àwọn ẹ̀yà Ìgbò ń tàbùkù àwọn ọmọ South Africa. Wọ́n ní wọn ò jámọ́ nǹkan kan. Kódà wọ́n ní láìpẹ́ ọmọ Igbo jẹ́ president orílẹ̀-èdè America. You heard me right? That is nothing but the truth. Èmi àtẹ̀yìn wá béèrè pé bó ni ó ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bá ti kọ́kọ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa ní kí ni problem àwọn ẹ̀yà yìí gangan bí wọ́n bá lówó sáwọn nìkan wọ́n kọ́kọ́ lówó nílé ayé ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló lówó tí ò mú kún mọ́ làákàyè wọn ò mú kún mówó tán ní. So having said that, ọmọdé tó ní tó ń bá dàgbà orí ẹyẹlé ló wọ́n máa jẹ ṣé gbàgbé orí ẹyẹlé lè má jẹ́ kó ọmọdé ọ̀hún dàgbà o. Ẹ̀yà Ìgbò ń béèrè kọjá nǹkan tí ó jẹ́ tiwọn. Mo wá ń bẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire tẹ́ láǹfààní àti máa wò mí pé kẹ́ ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá mi pín program yìí ẹ jẹ́ ó délé kó dóko kó dẹ́sẹ̀ kúkú kó dọ́nà jíjìn mo fọlọ́ ń búra ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ ní tí mo fẹ́ play ní táwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yà Ìgbò ṣe yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kò mọwọ́ kò mẹsẹ̀ ìlú ni wọ́n fi kó bá báyìí majority ọmọ Yorùbá ní kíní yìí affect ló máa affect jù torí pé lọ́pọ̀ ọgbà ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ ó jẹ̀yà olódodo ọ̀jẹ̀ ju yàtọ̀ yẹ kẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀jẹ̀ lọ. Mélòó lọmọ Igbo tó wà ní South Africa mélòó lọmọ Yorùbá tó wà ní South Africa. So gbogbo àwọn kan yẹn ló wà lórí òde wọn ẹ bá ń tẹ́tí ayọ̀ ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí sọ kẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tó ọmọ Igbo yìí sọ ẹ̀rù ọba yín. God bless you, sir. God bless you, ma.
For country, Ramaphosa, I hope this is the last time we talk to you. We want these criminals out of our country.
We want these criminals out of our country. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tọ́ra síkà fún mi jàre. Ọmọ lójú àbí ẹ̀yin jú Olódùmarè ẹ ní fọ́dànù lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ n bẹ̀rẹ̀.
We want them out of our country. Ramaphosa, I hope this is the last time we talk to you. We want these criminals out of our country. And the guy that Hugo Bruce have brought to our we want him out.
Now, ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ni sọ lára àwọn players in South Africa Bafana ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ kí wọ́n yọ kúrò nínú team South Africa and they will remove him. ṣe ti wá rí pé táwọn èèyàn péréte tí wọ́n cause many people will pay for it. ká láwọn ọmọ South Africa wọ́n dá Igbo nìkan mọ̀ láàrin gbogbo àwọn èèyàn táwọn á sọ pé ok ẹ̀yin Igbo nìkan ni kẹ́ mọ́ lọ, wọ́n identify ẹ̀ lóòótọ́ o pé àwọn Igbo ni o, but foreign nationals ni wọ́n ń dárúkọ nísìnyí, wọn ò sọ wípé Igbo nìkan mọ́. Can you just imagine that? àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yà tèmi ní ń bà mí lẹ́rù, ní ń já mi láyà, ló ń dùn mí fún. Majority ọmọ Yorùbá tán bá wà nílùú wọn máa ń ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ ni, ìran Yorùbá ò kí ń kọjá àyè wọn. ẹ sì wá ra àwọn adásí lọ́rùn obìnrin ọ̀dọ́gọ́. àwọn ilé ní kúwà ẹran Àjàyí, àyànmọ́pin ẹran Olúbòde, tó jẹ́ pé èṣù lẹ́yìn ìbejì ni wọ́n jẹ́ fúnran káàró òjìrè. bọ́n ṣe ń fi wà lápé lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà nínú ìlú wa, iná ń dójú tì wá tán fi wà lápé lórílẹ̀‐èdè míì. ẹ wo tán ṣe ní Dubai, ẹ wo òfin tí Dubai padà ṣe. èèyàn mélòó ló lè wọ Dubai mọ́ lónìí yàtọ̀ sólówó? wọ́n ní tó bá fẹ́ wá sí Dubai dandan ni kó o ní $10,000 nínú àkáǹtì ẹ. èèyàn mélòó ló wà lè lọ Dubai mọ́? and no working visa for anybody ní Dubai. n táwọn ẹ̀yà Ìgbò dá sí wa lọ́rùn nìyẹn. ẹ já gbọ́rọ̀ yìí.
This yoga Bruce brought into Bafana, we want him out. He's not a South African. This is what they're doing. This is what they aim. I want you to listen to this next video. We want yoga Bruce to kick that boy out. He's not a South African. His father is a Nigerian. We don't give a shit anymore. The disrespect that we're getting from these people. I want you to watch this video. Enough. It is enough. We are not going to take this disrespect from criminals going around pregnating our women, and this Jolofina rubbish are busy allowing Masipa. We've been talking.
àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ pé ẹ̀yà Ìgbò sọ nítorí ìran Yorùbá lẹ́ẹ̀kan, wọ́n ní àwọ̀ ọ̀tálé bàbá wa, yìí tá a bá ti rówó àwọ̀ ọ̀tálé bàbá wa, táwọn bá ti sanwó ẹ̀ fún wa, bá a bá ti fi mutí a fi gbóbìnrin. wọ́n ní bá yí àwọn ṣe bàjẹ́ nù láì sáyé tiwa. wọ́n á ní the last thing táwọn ó ṣe fúnra káàró òjìrè ni pé àwọn ó lé yín dé ìgbèrí òkun, àwọn ó sun yín dé ìgbèrí òkun. àsìn wọ́n gbàbí tó dáa tó nítumọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, wọ́n máa tì í sẹ́yìn odi. ṣé kò tí ì máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀? ọmọ Ìgbò ti gba mọ̀dọ̀mọ́dọ̀ Èkó, wọ́n ti ti àwọn èèyàn lọ sátán, gbogbo atán ti kún, ọ̀nà owó dè dìrókò òun náà ti ń kún lọ, kò sílẹ̀ lọ́tà mọ́, kò sílẹ̀ yànà yẹ́sí mọ́, kò sílẹ̀ nílògbò mọ́, gbogbo ojú òre ti kún. gbogbo ọ̀nà Lùsádà ti fúlù, ọ̀nà Adó-Odò ti kún, ọ̀nà Owódé ló kù tí wọ́n ń bí òdì lọ. wọ́n ti lé ọmọ Yorùbá kúrò ní out of Lagos.
But listen to what he's saying. But watch this video. We shall come back, man. I've never been this angry of it. It is time, South Africa, to act. It is time we take back our country. We cannot be controlled by Jolofina and Nigerians. This country does not belong to the Nigerians and the Jolofinas. South Africa, it is time for action. I don't know what you're waiting for. If Ramaphosa does not act on this rubbish, we shall act, we shall protect our country.
tí president wọn bá dáhùn, wọ́n dáhùn fúnra lára wọn. ok, gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì Nàìjíríà náà ti issue statement, mò ń bọ̀ lórí ẹ̀, ẹja kọ́kọ́ gbélé ìdílẹ̀.
Ramaphosa must act in this rubbish. Listen to this rubbish. Masipa fell. Watch these clips.
Operation Dudula is worthless, is stupid. They don't have money.
South Africa ni ọmọ Igbo yẹn bá wí o. It's worthless, it's stupid. They don't have money. Check bro.
Them are poor people, they can't leave their country.
They are poor people, they can't leave their country.
They don't have the passport.
They don't have the passport.
Don't get the beautiful South African women are sleeping with us Nigerian.
Can you imagine that? The beautiful South African women are sleeping with us Nigeria. How will you feel, sir? Tó bá jẹ́ pé yín náà lọ́mọ ìlú, will you allow them to stay? Ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan kan, ẹ ní sùúrù.
They are opening their legs for us, and
They are opening their legs for us.
giving them babies. Very soon we are going to have a Nigerian man as the president of South Africa, because
Ẹ ti gbọ́rọ̀. Very soon now, we are going to have a Nigerian man as a South African president. Tán bá dẹ̀ bí wọ́n lè rìn, wọ́n á sọ pé eré làwọn fi ń ṣe àbí. Wọ́n á ní cultural activities lásán ni. Nípa àwọn fẹ́ jọba. Àmọ́ fẹ́ dominate ilẹ̀ onílẹ̀. Nǹkan ṣe ní Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n tún gbé dé South Africa, wọ́n tún gbé dókè òkun. Wọ́n tún fẹ́ gbà lóńlù mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́.
90% of South African women are impregnated with Nigerian men child. That is our job. We go into your country and impregnate your women. So
Can you imagine that? I think you can hear that. Our job is to go to your country and impregnate your women. Ṣé bọ́n ṣe ń fẹnu já wáyà?
I mean, this is already a done deal. You feel me?
This is already a done deal.
So let them keep crying with their big ugly forehead. They have
Let them keep crying with their big, ugly forehead. Can you just imagine that? Does that make any sense to anybody? To be abusing your host. Talking down of your host.
South African men, nothing. Just they have a useless pattern of life.
Can you imagine that? Only Saudi, they have nothing. They mean nothing. They have useless pattern of life. Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire ń gbọ́ dáadáa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ṣe ń wò mí, mo rí pé ń gbọ́ dáadáa. Àjèjì lélẹ̀ o, tí fọwọ́ lálẹ̀ fọ́mọ nílé o.
Drinking, Amapiano, and even Amapiano was even brought by the white man. Amapiano was stolen by black South Africa. So black South Africans have no originality whatsoever.
Can you imagine that? Black South African have no originality whatsoever. Can you listen to that?
Understand? So, but it's high time if a white South African, please take over your country. The blacks, degenerate fucking niggas.
Can you imagine that? Want to instigate our white South African that they should take up their country. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ní yọ obì lápò? Ọ̀rọ̀ ní yọ fà lápò? Ǹdán pètè pèrò fúnra Yorùbá nìyẹn tẹ́lẹ̀. Tàdé ń pariwo fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ní sunkún torí ọmọ Igbo. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ nǹkan kan nípa ẹ̀yà Igbo, ọmọ Yorùbá, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kan wà tán máa sunkún. Wọn à ní jẹ́ kẹ́ wí. Ẹ̀tọ́ dẹ̀ wẹ́jú lẹ̀rú ń bà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ rí tẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ̀rú ọmọ abàláyá yín ọmọ ajá. Wọ́n á ní kí ni ní tí ò tó nǹkan kan, bó tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn dáadáa. Majority wọn ló fẹ́ ẹ̀yà Igbo. Majority wọn ní ń jẹun lábẹ́ ẹ̀yà Igbo. Majority wọn ló jẹ́ pé ìyá wọn Igbo ni. Ṣùgbọ́n kọ Yorùbá wọn ń jẹ́.
Have spoiled your country. It's high time that South Africa go back to the apartheid. Now is the time. We cannot wait anymore.
Can you imagine? It is high time South Africa go back to the apartheid. Eléyìí ń jáde lẹ́nu ọmọ Igbo. Ní country. Àti jẹ àti mu ló ń wà lọ o. Mbókèlè ó sì pọ́n lórí ńlọ wà lọ. But unfortunately, kùrọ́ lọ ra ọmọ ẹran dégbà rẹ̀.
Nelson Mandela went to prison for nothing. You know, he went there to waste his time, you know.
Can you imagine? Ẹ̀yin náà ń gbọ́ náà. Ẹ̀yin ní láti pause ẹ̀ gan mọ́.
And even it was even Nelson Mandela that even sued you guys. If you guys read your history clearly, yeah. It was Nelson Mandela that sued you to the Afrikaners, you know. So Donald Trump, my president, I'm even going to start a petition. I'm going to start a protest from Monday. I'm going to Washington, D.C. South Africa needs to be given to the rightful owner, you know.
Can you imagine that? Mo gbọ́ yín náà gbọ́. Mi fẹ́ pẹ́ rárá o.
Which are the white men from the Afrikaners. You need to take over. That's all I have to say for now.
Kí ọmọ country mi kó ló ń fẹ́ protest nítorí orílẹ̀-èdè mi kó máa instigate wàhálà sí orílẹ̀-èdè mi. Does that make any sense to anybody? Ó ló ń fẹ́ protest.
South Africans, black South Africans to become slaves again. I want them to suffer. I want them to be called, I want the apartheid. I want them to be segregated back. I want them. That's what I want. And
I want them. Oh my God. Ẹ̀yin náà ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Kò dùn lẹ́nu mi láti sọ. Ó wà irritating. Because it doesn't make sense to anybody. We should be seeking peace. Promoting peace, love, and harmony to one another, because a peaceful world will give us peaceful life. Nobody should fight anybody. We need love, not fight.
oh, so let me tell you something. It is going to happen. If it doesn't happen in my lifetime, it's going to happen with my children, because at least I've impregnated like 7 South African women.
I've impregnated like 7 South African women. So, Ona Mama claim citizen in South Africa, right? Can you just imagine? So tí apartheid ò bá ṣẹlẹ̀ lójú ayé ẹ̀ yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ lójú ayé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, because wọ́n máa ń gbé kinní yẹn sínú ara wọn ni. Can you imagine that, sir? Can you imagine that, ma?
I know, yes, and I know those women are going to be great in life. So my seed are going to be your leaders. Yes. My Nigerian
Ọmọ South Africa ní pariwo yẹn o.
Yes. That is to show you. Now you guys are zero. Your women are also cheap. Your men cheap. Nothing, zero. You foolish people. Donald Trump, please, my president, bomb South Africa, bomb that one. Now,
meet Okun, a professional footballer based in South Africa. He has
now guy footballer tó wà láàrin tán ló wà láàrin Bafana yẹn ni fúnra mi kò ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ẹ ti rí pé kan náà ni gbogbo ẹ̀yà Ìgbò, kò sí àtọ̀nù wọn, ìkan ògbé kan ní wọn eégún lé labala. Àkàndá ọ̀rọ̀ Awikonko kò sí àwí tó wí asán kankan, kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ drag. That is my point. Ẹnu oníkan sálà tí gbọ́ pọ̀n ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti gbọ́ mọ́ta. Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé fúnra lára wa la gbọ́. Ẹlẹ́dàá wọn gbọ́ sí ń bẹ̀. Àánú Olódùmarè ò ní fi ń sílẹ̀ o. Mi wàá mọ̀ o. Bóyá mo rí èèyàn kàbí méjì tán ní nǹkan tán fẹ́ sọ lórí tí mo play yìí.